Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Estrada, and today this video is for teachers. Are you a teacher who has been getting lots of comments from students about how to print your printables that you've been uploading from your phone? If so, this video is for you. Now, the reason that I know that this is an issue is because I have a daughter who is in 11th grade, and her teacher posted something in Edsby that was supposed to be able to be printed out, but it was a snapshot taken from a phone as an image. And because it was an image, Edsby does not allow the printable to be printed. There's not an option for printing. Let me show you what I mean. So when we come over here and we click on the assignment, it comes up as an image. You can download it, but if you open it, it doesn't give you the option to print it out. So it's a little frustrating for students to look at it the way it is right here. It's just it looks a little confusing. Now, what I did notice when I was kind of scrolling through was that when this particular file was uploaded, it was uploaded as a Word doc, and it has different options. It has an option to print. So I'm guessing that a PDF would probably do the trick as well. So what I did was I took the image that the teacher sent and I converted it into a PDF, and I want to show teachers how they can do that too and how they can get access to Adobe software for free. Right now during COVID-19, Adobe is making a special thing for schools and teachers and students where they can all have access to the Adobe Creative Suite for free for a limited time. So if you don't have that software, don't worry. I'm just going to show you how I did it. There's another way you can do it as well with your phone. If you have a PDF converter app on your phone, you can take a picture of an image and then you can convert it to a PDF and then upload it after you do that to Edsby, and that should solve the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, then try playing around with the different formats and see if you can convert it into a Word doc instead or something like that. But I believe a PDF should usually be something that's printable. So try that, see if that helps. But when you're done, you're going to have something that looks more like this, which is a lot easier to look at. Even if they don't have a printer at home, this is easier to look at than an image. So here's how you do it. Once you get Adobe installed, so click on Tools and then Create PDF. For this one, I'm going to click Multiple Files because we have more than one. It's a front and back. We'll click Next. Go to your files and go ahead and add them like that. Click Combine. And then Adobe does its magic. And then now you have a PDF. And then it's easy to just come over here and click Print. So I'm guessing, I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing that Edsby is just a little bit temperamental with the format that it wants things to be uploaded in. So if your students are having a hard time getting these things printed out, that you want them to print and take pictures of their work and send it to you, this is the workaround. So you're going to have to either upload it as a PDF probably or a Word doc. And that's the easiest way that I know to do it. So if you are using a cell phone, which I assume 99% of you are, this is how you're going to do that. This is just an app that I found that you could try. I don't know if it's the best one. I have not personally really used it, but I'm going to show you here in this quick video how to use it. I went ahead and installed it on my phone. Just click through, continue on all of these. It is going to ask you to pay for it, but I just clicked out of it by clicking on the X up here. Okay, then I clicked this basic page layout, and then I went into my pictures and I found something that I could click on. There we go. Select that. And then I just clicked through and I just kept going next. I didn't click on any of these. If you X out, then it won't charge you money. I don't know how many it allows you to do, so hopefully this isn't something that costs a lot of money. If it is, then I would just play around and find an app that can let you do this multiple times for free. If you have Dropbox, you can save it to your Dropbox. You can email it to yourself. So for all you teachers out there who are struggling having your your students are complaining and telling you they can't print stuff out, they don't know how to do it, this is going to be the workaround. You're probably just going to have to get a PDF converter on your phone so that you can take pictures of the printable, upload it to Edsby or whatever you're using, and that way your students can print that out. It's going to make it a lot easier for you and your students. It's going to save you a lot of headaches. I hope that this was helpful. All right, and really quick before I go, I'm going to drop a link in the description below, but here is the page that I was talking about that has the free access to Adobe Creative Cloud during the COVID-19 campus closures. So it says right here that Adobe is making temporary at-home access until May 31st for schools and colleges who currently have lab access for students at no additional cost. So let's see. So if your school is a school that has any type of Adobe available to your students for any class at all, they are making this available for free right now. So let's see. Now, I did not read all the fine print, so hopefully there's nothing in here that says that you're not eligible, but I just wanted to throw this out there at you guys so you can take a look at it and see if it works. If it does, awesome. If not, you probably don't need this, because if you have an app on your phone that can just convert it to a PDF, you should be golden. So if you are a teacher and you're struggling today and you know any teacher friends who might need this video, please feel free to share it with them and get the word out. This is the workaround. Also, if you have any questions of any other techie type things that you're not sure exactly how to do, please feel free to drop a question in the comment section below. And if I know the answer, I'll be more than happy to answer it for you, or create a video about it if need be. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for all the teachers and all your hard work today and all the extra effort that you're putting into making this a great experience for our students. We will get through this, and I hope everyone has a great day, and go let your light shine. I'll see you on the next one.